The most common failure of ancillaries such as alternators, power steering or air conditioning is the drive belt. Calibre drive belts are engineered for optimal performance and reliability with a huge range to choose from. Whether your vehicle requires a single serpentine belt, multiple ribbed belts or the older V-belt design, Calibre has you covered. Multi-rib and serpentine belts range from 3 pk to 7 pk in width, while V-belts are available from 11A to 15A sizes. Both types feature a massive variety of lengths to achieve the perfect fit. Designed and manufactured by Gates, you know that Calibre belts are backed by years of experience. Each belt has a base construction of EPDM rubber, interwoven with polyester and fibre reinforcement. The fibre-reinforced EPDM rubber is highly resistant to wear and heat damage, while polyester tensile cords provide stretch and resist flex fatigue. All Calibre belts will perform to OEM standards. Just use the part finder in your Supercheap auto store or ask a team member and find the perfect belt for your application. If you value a vehicle that runs smoothly and doesn't let you down, be sure to choose Calibre drive belts.